Solana DeFi protocol Luna yield goes dark. Have you ever been to the moon and back? You'll probably say no unless you're among the 4 rare humans on Earth who have been to the moon and are still here among us to tell the stories. But that's not the case with cryptos. We know about the volatility of these things, and scamming isn't a new thing in this space. In today's video, we'll tell you about one such scam that happened recently with the Solana blockchain. Hey crypto lovers, it is Crypto Billionaire, your friendly neighborhood crypto and financial education channel. Disclaimer: no author of Crypto Billionaire YouTube channel guarantees any losses incurred while investing, as we do not provide financial advice, and crypto markets are high-risk markets. The sole purpose of the information posted on the YouTube channel is for education only. So let's begin. You might be asking, what's Solana? So let's give a 2-minute introduction to Solana to our new friends over here. So the story of Solana begins with a sunny California beach of the same name. Solana Beach is located just 30 minutes north of San Diego, where Solana's founder and CEO Anatoly Yakovenko has spent most of his life working in telecommunications. This is a bit of an understatement, given that Yakovenko was instrumental in developing the technology found in all our smartphones during his 12 years at Qualcomm. Yakovenko was initially not that interested in Bitcoin and Ethereum, only slightly piqued his interests. He did, however, briefly mine Bitcoin while he was developing a deep learning computer network during a self-described caffeine-induced fever dream at 4 a.m. in 2017. He realized that Bitcoin's hash function SHA-256 could be used to create a decentralized clock on a cryptocurrency blockchain. Yakovenko theorized that time-stamping transactions would exponentially increase the scalability of a cryptocurrency blockchain without sacrificing its security or decentralization. He knew it was possible to build since Google and Intel had both implemented similar technologies in their own databases. This was the story of creation, but our story is about the rug pull that happened in the Solana ecosystem. So you might be asking, what's a rug pull? Well, in the crypto industry, there is a Wild West environment where anything goes. There is so much positivity and disruptive potential around every corner, but when there is promise and profits, there are also scammers and nefarious crooks waiting to steal from others. Rug pulls are a blatant exit scam in most cases, designed as a promising project that attracts users. When liquidity flows into the project and the price grows, developers then pull all the liquidity they can, crushing the capital of those left holding the bags in the end. Crypto, having loose regulation, existing solely online in an all-digital world and existing outside of the normal realm of society, has attracted even more criminals to the asset class, who appear as scammers, hackers, ransomware issuers, attackers, and more. Many scammers appear to be a friend or an influencer or a trusted account online, representing someone maybe like Elon Musk. Behind these accounts are a criminal who is posting as a trusted voice and often asking for crypto in exchange for a larger sum in return. As too many may have learned the hard way, these things are too good to be true. Now back to the story. One such rug pull happened on the Solana blockchain by the name of Luna Yield. According to the story, Luna Yield finance DeFi project that utilizes the Solana blockchain called Luna Yield has allegedly committed a rug pull, according to various individuals on social media. Reports indicate that the investors who put funds into the project lost an estimated $6.7 million, according to an anonymous source. Luna Yield creators reportedly dipped off with $6.7 million in funds. But on the bright side, Solpad platform promises compensation to IDO participants. But sadly, the world of DeFi has reportedly seen another rug pull, but this time in the Solana blockchain ecosystem, according to numerous reports. Solana's website has had a page dedicated to describing the Luna Yield decentralized exchange DEX aggregator protocol, now showing a 404 error. The aggregator project promised high yields, and then suddenly the platform went dark and users could not access the funds locked into the DEX aggregator. The next thing is that Luna Yield team was anonymous and the project developers allegedly got away with $6.7 million in tokens. The SolPad team said they had contacted a third party to investigate the incident after Luna Yield experienced some problems. Some Luna Yield users have also identified the address of the owner who allegedly approved the transactions that triggered the rug. It seems the team has been sending batches of 55S to the address below for hours. It's unknown whether the funds ended up at a centralized exchange or a bridge. According to Hokegani, a developer building on the Solana network, that same address, FBUKFG, is the Solate Bridge, a Solana wallet with support for SPL tokens. The person behind that address tried to bridge funds directly to Binance, but there seems to be no way of finding out the identity of the people behind this. CoinDesk reporter Sebastian Sinclair details he was told by an anonymous source that $6.7 million in assets had been taken. Furthermore, Sinclair insisted that the team verified the amount via the SolScan block explorer. On various channels like Twitter, discussions concerning the subject are littered across social media. The platform that helped launch the Luna Yield IDO, SolPad, detailed that the project would help compensate IDO participants who were affected. After internal discussion within SolPad Foundation, we have finalized the compensation plan for Luna Yield IDO participants, the team tweeted. We will sort out the list and directly distribute the compensation into the participants' wallet, the same wallet that joined the IDO on August 16. We will compensate users in USDC with a value equal to 60% of the purchased amount. The official SolPad Twitter account further stated, for example, if user A bought 400 USDC of allocation in the round, he will get 60% of 400 equaling to 240 USDC, airdropped directly to user A's wallet. The distribution will start next week and we expect it to finish within a few days. Thank you so much for being patient with us. And now the story is out. Critics now warn that on the other chains like Cardano, Solana Daily Hopes project can stave off more rug pulls. The Luna Yield website has been since taken down by the creators, and it seems that archive.org has crawled the platform on various occasions, but has had a hard time showing the site. On Twitter, one individual said that once Cardano upgrades to Alonzo Purple, it too could see a rug pull like Solana, SOL, that has seen this week. The rug pull that recently occurred in the Solana ecosystem from Luna Yield is something I can see happening in the Cardano ecosystem literally days to weeks after Alonzo if proper scrutiny isn't exercised by the community involved, the individual said. Good tech isn't immune to stupidity. The Twitter account Solana Daily told its 28,700 followers about the rug pull on August 20th. On Rug Pull on Solana, Solana Daily stated that yesterday, SolPad announced that their second IDO of Luna Yield went wrong when the dev team of the project decided to shut down all the social media and withdraw the liquidity. Hope that no more rug pulls appear in our ecosystem. And the Sol token seemed to slow down after its impressive 2-week-long bull run. This is Solana's first and biggest rug pull yet. Some users from the community, like Polkadot, have criticized the lack of transparency in the Solana ecosystem. We have been working our asses off attempting to move towards more transparency in the ecosystem, and it looks like things are still happening under closed source. Solana has been on a massive rally. It was 90% up in the past 7 days, following several protocol upgrades and a $70 million crowdfunding to support the launch of its official decentralized exchange, Mango Markets. Another boost for SOL came after the launch of the Generate Ape on the Solanart, Solana's NFT marketplace, which registered record daily volumes of over 90,000 SOL, over $5 million. What do you think about the Luna Yield project going dark and the estimated $6.7 million in tokens allegedly stolen? Let us know what you think about this story in the comment section below. Be sure to like and share it with your friends and family to keep him updated. And one last thing, I don't know what it is that you're gonna do with that red color button below. You know what, just click it. I don't know, man, it must be changed from red to gray. I really don't like that red color. We'll be back with another interesting story real soon. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, peace out.